Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through a 2018 Cobalt CS22 trade-in that we just took in. The helm, you see a nice rock-thru phosphate stereo, digital gauges, storage, forward seating with stereo speakers up front, nice anchor locker. Looking aft, you'll see the quality in this awesome boat. Tower with bimini top, in-floor storage, large seating in the rear seating in the back. Again, this is a 2018 Cobalt CS22 Lake Norman MarineMax. If you're interested in this boat, please give me a shout, 704-215-3599. My name is Brad Langdon. I'll be happy to help you.